I have combined the prickly pear juice, the lemon juice, and the 2 packages of the pectin. And I have my stove on high, and I'm going to take a second to just talk about a few more things really quickly. I have my timer ready to go. When you sterilize your lids, bands, and jars, do not pick up a cup towel and dry them. Resist that urge because you will just have ruined your sterilization process. They make this cool little magnet thing that you can pick up the lids and bands with, and I promise you, as many times as I've made jelly, having a few little droplets of water on these has not affected the set of the jelly or the consistency of the jelly. And as I say this, I also caution to not pick up a cup towel and start drying all of these as you're waiting to make jelly, because again, you're negating the sterilization process. So once this comes to a boil, it's on. Do not leave the stove unattended. You're going to probably have to turn your heat down to about half of whatever it is, and you need to constantly keep stirring at that 3-minute mark. Then you add all that sugar. And once you cook it for that last 2 minutes, and you've added whatever else you wanted to in at that process, I bring my pan over here and I immediately begin ladling with this really cool funnel made specifically for this. You immediately start ladling your jelly in here, and at the end of the process, you take a clean dish towel or a little dishcloth, and you will carefully wipe the rims of all of these should any drops of jelly get on there, and then you'll put your bands and lids on. And then the last step is they need to set overnight, and literally I turn them upside down so that the heat and temperature from the jelly in them will create a seal, and that will give it about a 6-month shelf life. So I better get ready to start stirring.